Place the first cord from the left side over all the cords. Now, take the second cord over the first cord and pull it through the loop. Repeat the same process by taking the second cord over the first cord and pulling it through the loop again. Now, take the third cord over the first cord and pull it through the loop, then repeat with the same cord. Follow this process with the fourth, fifth, and sixth cords as well. Now, hold the filler cord to the left side, and with the remaining 5 cords, create the pattern by following the same process. First, go from left to right, and then from right to left to create the pattern.